Alright guys, watch the video, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and I'll see you at the end.
Watch this. Keep it going. Keep it going. Just show them how high it goes.
So, all right, what do you think of this project, guys? Look at the bottom. It's so cool. Now you can use this box in many ways. Now I have Greg here. So, what is great about this project, Greg?
Well, it's inexpensive, and it's made for organizing your little mini wiki bottles.
Okay.
So they're made to hold 2 or 3 across, and if you're picking up these plastic bottles, they sometimes can be a little bit on the flimsy side, and they will collapse and they will fall apart. But if you can organize a lot of bottles into one of these little boxes, you can pick up 6 or 24 little wiki bottles all at the same time and move them from one spot to the other. And it's the advantage of using these little grow boxes as opposed to using a plastic tray like you would get at your local nurseries. Those tend to be real flimsy, and they're used for putting the soil directly into the little trays.
So it is better than this one. I have this. So is that what you're talking about? Is better than using this?
Yeah, those are kind of flimsy. Even the heavy duty ones are okay. That will serve a purpose as well, but doesn't look as nice.
So
I can stain these and I can paint them. I can make them all different colors. And they're gonna hold up a lot longer than the little cheap flimsy ones.
So I noticed a hole here.
Yes, that's something you don't have on the plastic trays. I put holes in there to the exact size to put these little full spectrum LED grow lights, and I put several holes in there so you can put as many as 4 grow lights in each one of these.
So let me oh, look at that. Look at that.
So
actually this light you can adjust, right, to your height.
Go ahead, try it, show it. It telescopes.
Oh, look at that. So you can increase more.
You can have one low, and you can put another one on a higher level for your higher plants.
You know what, guys? You can get this at cashiergreens.com if you're looking for best indoor light. And so you can move, because there is 2 holes. You can move from one hole to the other, right?
Yep.
Look at that. That's awesome.
Yep.
And there is also the big version. So this is for serious gardeners. So I can put
that'll hold 24 bottles.
Look at this one. This is the biggest, and I love this tray. And you can use anything with this tray. You can organize bottle. That's what you said.
Right.
You can grow germinate seeds, and also you can use plant propagation, which I'm going to show you guys.
Put some of the plastic bottles in there so they can see how they look like when you put them in there.
Okay, so I will put, this is my propagation here. And I'm going to put this one here. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see, guys? Look at that. It's awesome.
And that's the wiki bottle.
Yeah, but I always
which you covered in the last video.
Yeah, I talk about wiki grow. I love wiki grow system, guys, because I don't have to worry about watering. So as you see, look at that. It's watering, sipping that water to the top. So you can also use this as your germination box, or propagating by cuttings, which I'm going to show you later on. So this, I think this is so cool, and I like the big version as opposed to the smaller. But hey, if you like to get a mini version, and it is so cool, so you can carry this all the time. You can place this in your propagation station, and I just love it. Look at that. So let's go ahead and do the propagation, right? Show it to them.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so let's do the project. Okay, so this is my propagation, guys, from cuttings. As you see, look at my Hoya, and it is awesome. And I have this light, and I can just give it little of photosynthesis. And look at my Hoya. This is a really nice Hoya. So this is it, guys, and I would recommend if you do your propagation, if you use this as your propagating box and use bottle, I would recommend to use the Fuji. And I have a video on how to create your own bottle propagation. Watch that video, guys, because what is great about Fuji is too strong and it's not easy to squeeze as regular. I want to show you the where's the regular. It's not the same like this, that it is too clumsy. So if you can find a Fuji,
Flimsy.
a clumsy, not clumsy, clumsy.
Flimsy.
Just be with me, guys. So clumsy. Use the Fuji or any bottle that it is sturdy. And what is great for this one, if you glue, but I'm not gluing this because it is just beautiful, just place like that. So when you do your propagation, you also need to do the wiki grow. And as you see here, look at my wiki grow. Look at that. So it is easy, and I'm not really disturbing this because look at that, there is already sponge. So wicking that sponge, wicking the water and giving to my plants. And look at this Princess Hoya.
Tricolor.
It's a tricolor. Look at that. It's happy. So you can get this box, guys. If you like this box, you can get it at cashewgreens.com.
We'll put it on there for a limited time to see if there's any interest in it.
Yeah, he said he's going to put this, for a few time,
For a while.
to see if there is anyone interested. So yeah, this is my project, guys, for this winter, and it is so cool. Now, if you do your seed propagation, you still need lights when these seeds germinate, and then you can use this, and this is awesome. So
You can get the light also at cashiergreens.com. Look under lighting, and they run about $20 a piece.
yeah, we have grow lights at cashiergreens.com.
And they have timers on it too.
Mm-hmm.
They have a timer. How many hours timer on there?
This one here, I
Yeah.
did not use the timer. You're the one
I
who
know, but it tells you right on there. It
Yeah.
says
I cannot read. 8 to 12.
like 4, 8, and 12-hour timers,
Yes,
and a 24-hour.
but at least 8 hours. It gets 8 hours of sunlight, and it works. Look at that, it's so beautiful. So if you like this video, guys, hit thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel, and share this idea with your friends. And it's awesome, it's really awesome. And if you need any items at Cashew Greens, I will link the description below. Just go and check it out. And if you buy items at Cashew Greens today, you are helping Cashew Greens and our channel. So we appreciate, and I appreciate very much. So thank you, guys. This is Marcelina at cashiergreens.com. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights,